Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your Telemed. If you wish to use the Telemed function, you first need to set it up for your diary. The first step is adding a new Telemed booking type. Start by clicking on the Settings button in the top right corner. In the Settings screen, click on the Diary Settings tab. In this tab, click on the Booking Type Setup panel. From here, click on the Add New Type button to start adding your new Telemed booking type. As an example, we will name this new type Telemed. Keep this booking status as None. And set it as Yes for Invoiceable. Now, click anywhere inside the newly added Telemed Booking Types panel to open a new subsection. Ensure that you tick the box under Telemed. Further than that, you can complete the other fields as you wish. Once you're done adding your Telemed booking type, click on the Save button. The second step is your Grand Central settings, where you will enable the Telemed booking type to be available for your My Grand Central. In the same Diary Settings tab, click on the Grand Central Settings panel. Scroll down to the Booking Types section. Your newly added Telemed booking type will display as an option here. Tick the box next to your Telemed booking type to enable it. Click on the Save button. The third step is the Booking Status Change triggers that will give out a trigger booking status change to the Telemed booking that will indicate that the patient is ready and waiting for the call. In the same Diary Settings tab, click on the Booking Status Change Triggers panel. Scroll down to the Telemed Waiting Room Arrival. From the drop-down, choose your booking status it should change to. For example, Arrived. Click on the Save button. The fourth step is the SMS and email invite templates that one can set up. These templates will be used for when you send bulk SMSs and/or emails to your patients indicating that your practice is available for Telemed consultations. Click on the Entity Settings tab. In this tab, click on the Workflow Event Templates panel. From here, you can choose SMS and/or email from the drop-down. Once you selected either of these, click on the Add Template button. A new window will pop up where you can start creating your invite template with the help of placeholders. You can copy and paste your diary external booking URL from the Grand Central Settings panel under the Diary Settings tab. To give you an idea, this is the link that the patients will click on and be redirected to their MyGC account to make their Telemed booking with the practitioner. Once you're done, click on the Save button. Your Telemed has now been set up.